back with yet another collecting box. Alright, this time there's a little of this and that, and even went out on a limb to try some of the jewelry this time. So we'll see how this goes. It's a lovely silver chain necklace. Chain is really the operative word there. So we have a bracelet. Little leather Skort. And a lovely button-down rust color shirt. Alright. Some nice green leggings. And last but not least, a nice little black blazer. See you in the try on. Alright, y'all, let's get into it. First off, this blazer. It's your standard black blazer. It's pretty good. I, again, would want to size up just because it is a little tight and restricting in the arms. But otherwise, it's nice. If it had buttons, which it does not, it would close nice and give a little curve. But once again, the vegan leather is pretty. The feel is amazing. This is actually a Skort, so shorts with a little skirt cover. Super cute details. Loving it. Here we go. Alright, this lovely rust color. Stepping out of my comfort zone with the colors even. Button down shirt. This is another one where it's a large, but I went ahead because it was oversized and it's pretty good. I do have decent room in the arms, which is amazing. Love that. And it does have the little buttons here on the outside because you can roll these up and pin them up, which I will do as well. And these lovely leggings. They're your standard gym leggings, but as you can see, you can toss it together and dress it up pretty nicely. And let's not forget the chain necklace. This thing is awesome. It's actually pretty lightweight, but it is very well constructed and looks amazing. And the bracelet. What can we say? It's a win-win with collecting all the way around.